I'll be honest with you, it's not easy to see an AI platform that offers all AI model in one place. But I found this AI tool for generating videos completely free, and you can create any type of video and it has all the AI models. Now watch what I created.
Let's go! Keep filming. Trust me. Got it. We're going all the way! Creepy. Baby, I'm yours! Happy 4th, I'm ready for my next role!
Head over to your browser and type Kai API. KAI API to show you this platform. You're going to tap on this first one that you can see. Okay, once you tap on it, it's going to load and open into this beautiful interface. Now, as I always say, the first thing to do when you open any platform is to sign in with your email. Okay, after signing in, this is how the interface will look like. Then you tap on this Explore AI API. Okay, once you tap on it, it's going to open into this interface. Then you can see all the AI model this platform has. As you can see, it has, I had to zoom it in so you see it has Google, ByteDance, Entropy, Kling, OpenAI, One, Grok, Hailuo, Topaz, Recraft, 11 Labs, Ideogram, all the AI models it has. Then it offers image to video, text to video, image to image, text to image. You can see the beautiful provisions it's made for you with all the AI models. Now you are going to select this icon that is up. It will show you all these icons. Okay, then you exit this place. Then you just take a look at the whole interface. Okay, just go through the platform and see what the platform is made of. Okay, so as you can see, this it has VO, it has Suno, it has Seedance. This app is loaded. This AI platform, look at it, that's the latest Grok 4.5, Grok 4.3. Now we're going to select the AI model that we want. Okay, and of course I like Grok AI, so I tapped on Grok AI. Okay, so once you select the AI model that you want, it's going to load into another interface. As you can see, this is how Grok AI interface looks like in this app. Now we're going to be creating a video. Okay, now this is where you input your prompt. I already pasted my prompt there. Then you see image URL, that's where you're going to upload your image. I already uploaded my image. Then select your aspect ratio, select your resolution, select your duration. Okay, then you see this place that the root run, you tap on it and immediately your video will start generating. If you want to learn how to create images and prompts, okay, dialogues, you can watch my previous video. I already explained everything, and it's now our video is loading immediately. It will not take up to 1 minute. Your video would get loaded. Okay, then this arrow that is facing down, you tap on it to download it into your phone. Now let's watch.
Go! Keep filming. Trust me. Got it. We're going all the way! Creepy. Baby, I'm yours! Happy 4th, I'm ready for my next role!
Let's create another video. Tap on Explore. Then it will open to the AI models it has. Okay, then it will show you the services it has. Look at it, I had to zoom in. It has a lot of AI model. It has a lot of tags. Is it video editing? Is it image editing? Is it music, text to speech, audio to, it has everything. So I selected image to video. Then I selected Seedance as my AI model. Okay, then it showed me the different type of Seedance. It has 2.0 mini, it has 2.1. okay, all the Seedance. Then I selected the AI model I want, which is Seedance 2.0. okay, then it will load, it will open into the interface. I selected Seedance 2.0 mini. Okay, now this is it. Okay, I had to delete all the image that was there previously. Then I selected my own image. Okay, this box, that's where you put the image you have. So I selected this particular image. Okay, once I selected it, I scrolled down, I deleted the prompt that was there, then I pasted my own prompt. Okay, if you want to learn how to create your own image and your own story, your own dialogue, your own prompt, watch my previous video, I have it there. So after pasting my image and prompt, I selected my resolution, the aspect ratio, the duration. Okay, then I tap on this run. Okay, now once you tap on it, immediately your video would start generating. It does not take up to a minute. Your video will get generated, and as always, that arrow that is facing down, you tap on it to download the video into your phone. Now let's watch the video.
You never listen to me.
I'm trying to explain.
Now you can see how easy it is to navigate this app. So do well to take your time, learn the whole process and create your video. If you have any question, do well to drop for me in the comments and I'll do well to answer. Thanks for watching my video to the end. See you in my next vlog. I have to create some other videos off camera, so this video will not be too long. Let's watch them together.
Go! Keep filming. Trust me. Got it. We're going all the way! Creepy. Baby, I'm yours! Happy 4th. I'm ready for my next role.